In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mobile number to your Gmail account, ensuring that your account is more secure and accessible whenever and wherever you need it. We'll go through each step to make this process smooth and hassle-free. First, let's start from your Gmail homepage. Once you're on Gmail, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. It's typically represented by a small circle, either showing your picture or your initials. Click on this icon, and once the drop-down menu appears, you'll see an option labeled Manage Your Google Account. Go ahead and select this option. Now you're in your Google Account settings dashboard. There's a wealth of options here, but what we need today is under the Personal Info tab. You'll find it on the left-hand side panel of your screen. This section is a central hub where you can manage all personal details tied to your account, from your name and birthday to contact information. Click on Personal Info to proceed. Next, you'll see several categories, but the focus here is the contact info section. You'll notice an option labeled phone, which is what we need to click on to move forward. When you click on phone, you'll arrive at a page specifically designated for managing the numbers linked to your account. On the right side of this page, there's a prominent Add Now button. Click this to start the process of adding your mobile number. It's essential that the number you plan to add is both active and accessible because you'll need to verify it later in this process. Once you click Add Now, you'll see a field where you need to enter your phone number. But first, make sure you select the correct country from the drop-down menu. This ensures the right dialing code is applied. Now type in your phone number. Double check the number you've entered to avoid any errors, as these can cause problems during verification. After entering your number, click the Next button. You'll then follow on-screen prompts to complete the verification. Google typically texts a code to the number you've entered, and you'll need to input that code when prompted. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding your mobile number to your Gmail account. This simple yet effective step helps enhance the security features on your account, making it easier to recover should you forget your password or run into any other issues in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions about your Google account settings.